Welcome to Fashion Trends. In today's video, we're going to be seeing about how to set yourself with your festive look gown. So let's go. So friends, you can try using bright and vibrant colors like burgundy hue, red, royal blue, etc. You can try going on with unique sleeve designs like uncle knee, uncle elbow, cold shoulder, or half shoulder too. So friends, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, remember and subscribe to Fashion Trends. Check out the description box, you can get the WhatsApp group link. Join the group to buy these amazing collections of festive look gown.